In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect A50 headset to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your A50 on the PlayStation 4 is super simple. The A50 is designed to be used with consoles and PC, so setting it up on a PlayStation 4 is super straightforward. To start, make sure that the base station is good to go. So in the base station, there will be a toggle. Make sure that it is set to PlayStation 4 mode. As soon as you set it to PlayStation 4, you will see an LED indicator that tells you that it is ready on PlayStation as well. So once it is set to PlayStation 4, you will be able to connect the necessary cables. So to start, plug the micro USB cable into the base station and then the other end into the console. With this done, you now have to plug the optical cable. So plug one end of the optical cable into the opt-in port on the base station and another one into the opt port on the PlayStation 4 itself. Once this is done and essentially you have connected the base station to the console, you will be able to dock the headset. So put the headset in the actual base, and once this is done, when you take it out, it is going to automatically pair itself up. So now if you go over to the settings on your PlayStation 4, you will be able to find it as a standard output device. You will be able to use the microphone, and all of the audio being output through your PlayStation 4 is going to go to the A50 instead. So all that you have to do is set up the base station, connect it to your console, and you will be able to use the headset. Make sure that it is sufficiently charged, and as soon as you take it out of the dock, it is going to be used on your PlayStation 4 wirelessly. You just have to ensure that the cables are properly connected and that the headset is sufficiently charged and powered on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect A50 headset to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.